Friends, this is a beautiful city, Minneapolis, in the state of Minnesota. And we are standing at the terrace of a friend's apartment, which is like quite high. And it gives you an excellent bird eye view of the city. Right in front of you, there is the skyline of Minneapolis. I think there is some urgency. If you see a small pond over there, it's part of the Loring Garden. This is really interesting. See the vintage building out there? Yes, that's one of the primary centers of worship. Minneapolis, like I said, is part of Twin Cities with St. Paul's in the state of Minnesota, one of the thriving commercial centers. And another interesting anecdote, another interesting fact to this city would be is that the culture of apartments, which like came in India around, I believe, 70s or 80s. So there are apartments in Minneapolis which dates back to 1920s. If you see that Walker, it's Walker Center of Arts, and right along with it, you see a brown building. That apartment goes back to 1920, and this is one of the most thriving centers. You see the red car over there. So there is a belief that that center is like the psychic energy center of the city. And see the green cover. So I'm not surprised. This city is called the greenest city of the United States. Greenest, one of the most livable cities. And see the church down there. The greenery is just amazing. The way the town is planned, it's structured. It gets like a moderate weather, but the winters are really chilly. See the freeways, the network. And I just asked my friend who said that if there is a snowfall, the city administration, the city council just removes the snow, and commuting, even in the worst of the winters, is not a very difficult task. The city administration is actually pretty efficient. Excellent bird's eye view. I'm absolutely in love with people's adherence to traffic rules here. You can see the parking over there. Yeah, it's so organized. You can see the lane driving. They love to stick to traffic rules, something we can learn from, something to get inspired from. Yes, the greenery is huge. And this city also has the nation's largest mall, which used to be like world's largest shopping mall. It's called the Mall of America, but now I think the world's largest shopping mall is somewhere in the Middle East, probably in Dubai. Alright, friends, this is some Minneapolis for you. I'll be back with some more updates for you. Thank you. Hope you're enjoying our videos. Bye. Take care.